Okay, so I finally got my hands on the Galaxy Z Trifold, and as you can see, it looks much better in real life than when you're looking at it on video, and it's lighter than I anticipated, and also not as bulky. As you can see, it's the Trifold. Of course, you can only fold it one way, not this way, because it will vibrate and tell you not to do it that way, but this way. And then you have the trifold. So if you're comparing it to something like the Z Fold 6, this is the Z Fold 6. While it's a little bit smaller, the thickness is not by very much. I'll say about the same, so it's not that thick. But then one of the things that makes the Galaxy Z Trifold special, aside being a tablet that can fold into your pocket, an actual tablet, is the DeX, when you can open apps as if it's in desktop mode, not the way you will open your regular apps. You find this kind of software on the Samsung regular tablets. But now the difference is that you can fold this and now put it in your pocket. Of course, this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, not the current Snapdragon processor, but I believe that it should be able to handle whatever you want. I'm still using the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and that's like 2 generations ago, and it's still working fine. Same DeX mode that we have here. Now, the only thing I'll say this is lacking is the pen support, but I think that can be excused because of the presence of DeX. And again, it's lightweight. It feels actually great to be able to have it here live on hands and experience it. And this is something I'm definitely going to get. But then again, when you're comparing this to something like Huawei's take on a trifold screen, I would say while you can only fold this one way, I think technically in terms of durability, Samsung did it better, because when it's not open, not in use, this is made of glass. This is tougher than the internal glass. You have everything protected. You only really need to expose the internal display when you want to use it. One major use case you might find it's a bit tricky. Since it's a tablet, you might want to dock it on the table. Not every time you want to hold the tablet on both hands and use. You might get a case that allows you to dock it and place it on the table and use it easily, and then you might want to carry a portable keyboard around. But this actually gives you the true purpose of a foldable device, a tablet that you can fold into your pockets. I mean, I have the Fold 6 and I didn't upgrade to the Fold 7 because of the lack of pen support, but I can definitely take this one because while it doesn't have pen support, it has DeX, and that's multitasking in its truest form as far as Android devices are concerned. But yeah, this is the Galaxy Z Trifold, and it's great to have it live right here in CES, Samsung, the first look.